everybody, my name is Vivaan and today we will be making a password generator on MIT App Inventor, which is a platform to code. We are making a password generator to help the users create strong passwords for their accounts and to make a cyber safe world. The steps to create this app are that first you have to design the UI. After designing, we decide the parameters for a strong password. And the parameters are that the length of the password should be at least 8 characters long. The password should include both lowercase and uppercase letters. It should also have at least one of the digits between 0 to 9. The password should have at least one of the special characters. After deciding the parameters, we code. We will be using code blocks to code this app. After we have coded, we test the app using the MIT AI2 companion. Now let's start coding. If you are on a PC, open Google Chrome and search for MIT App Inventor. After that, click the first link. Then press Create Apps and sign in. After signing in, it will take you to a blank screen. You have to press Start New Project and enter your project's name, like Password Generator. There. Then press OK and it will take you to a screen that looks like this. Now inside the screen we will be adding a label. You can just drop it anywhere you like. Now inside this we press font bold and set the font size to 20. The height is going to be 60 pixels and the width will be fill parent. The text inside for this label is going to be password generator. Yeah, and the text alignment center. After this, we will also be adding a horizontal arrangement. For that, we search horizontal arrangement on top and just drag and drop. Set everything to center. The align horizontal and align vertical. The height will be 40 pixels and the width, the second option. Press OK and add a label and a text box. Inside this horizontal arrangement like that. Now the text for this label too, the font size is alright, the height is also alright, and the text is going to be enter password. And the text box, everything is fine, you do not have to do anything in that. After this, we add another horizontal arrangement, which again the align horizontal and align vertical will be center. The height will be 50 pixels and inside this the width will be fill the second option, and inside the horizontal arrangement we add a label which is going to say password strength score. Like that. After adding this, we will add one more horizontal arrangement and again center. The align horizontal is center, align vertical center. Height will be 50 pixels. The width will be the second option. Press OK. Inside this we will add a button, actually 2 buttons. You can change the background color of button 1 any color that you like. I'm going to go with green. The font size and everything is alright. And after this we change the shape to rounded. The text for this is going to be check. Like that. And the second button, you can again change the background color to any color you like. I'm going to go for red. And the shape is rounded. The text inside this button is going to be reset. After this, we add one last horizontal arrangement, and inside that one more button. Oops. Now that horizontal arrangement, same thing like we did in the third horizontal arrangement that we had added. The height will be 50 pixels. And the width, second option. Now the button 3, everything is fine. The shape will be rounded. And we change the text to generate. Generate. Now you can set the background color any color that you like. I'm going to go with cyan. And then. So this is your design for the password generator app. Now if you want to learn how to code this app, the link is in the description. Do check it out and subscribe, like and subscribe if you like this video.